An ultrasonic sensor measures distances using ultrasonic signals. It sends out a pulse via a trigger pin and listens with an echo pin. It measures the distance by calculating the time difference between the transmission and detection of these signals. This code measures the distance between the object and the ultrasonic sensor and then displays the result in centimeters. First, two pins are defined. One to send trigger pulse and another to receive the echo. In the setup function, the trigger pin is set as output and serial communication is started to read the distance. In the loop function, a 10 microsecond pulse is sent onto the trigger pin to start measurement, and the echo pin reflects the signal and then measures how long it took. The calculated distance is then printed on the serial monitor in centimeters. A short delay is added between the readings for smooth output. This setup allows you to measure how far the object is. It is great for obstacle detection or level measurement. You can compare the readings on the serial monitor when the card is being placed close and far away from the ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensors are used in car parking systems to detect nearby obstacles and assist in safe parking by measuring the distance using sound waves. It is used to measure water levels in tanks or wells. It is also used in robots for obstacle detection. And that wraps up the explanation and demonstration of an ultrasonic sensor. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.